Hello everyone, day 33 here, Industrial Fabrication Company. It was definitely a hard day today. We got pushed, that's always good. Nothing bad, just got faced with what the customer brought to us in terms of the material they want us to work on was not what we expected. It was going to require a bit extra work, so we're going to work around that. You can kind of see what we have here. These beams used to be joined together, so this edge was over here. As we split that, it was much longer. Now we got to cut it down to the shape they want. So we need to make this cut up here, and we're using a track roller, track cutter, which that was cool to see and learn about. Is working on that, got those ready, and then we'll be, continuing on that the next couple days. Definitely a bit of a rush job here. I'll be helping out tomorrow, running the drill press, because we just need an extra set of hands essentially, and that's all I'm qualified for here. Also had some jobs come in, definitely had some inefficiency on my side there on getting too into the weeds on accuracy for the bidding. When we order material in stock length, and I was worried about 1% due to small angles and things, and that wasn't really necessary and bogged me down. So that was good learning. Also, kind of know where we need to go for improvement. I think as dealing with multiple projects as they came in today and jumping in between those, what I thought was a good idea with having all of the links in our bid sheet is still a good idea, but it doesn't help as much in all the places that I want it to. So one of the things we run into is when you go to save a file, you can't access those links when you're going to save the file. So you end up going back and forth, as you can kind of see as I have that up on the screen there. In one project, you have to back out and then go into another project. And this scenario too isn't even as bad as it could be, because it's within the same subfolder. It could be one folder higher, and you're going back up and back in multiple times as you go from project to project. So wanting to get more of an active projects folder, that when we're quoting them, we have them there. When they turn into projects we're working on, they're still there. And then once we finish the job, then we move it into the archive that's separated out by customer. So if we need to reference it in the future, that's easier to do. And it's all grouped together there by similar jobs. That's all for today. Signing off.